Hey there, Paul Goyette from Goyette, Ruano Thompson again. As you may recall from some of our other videos and the other material on our website, I'm the founder and the president of GRT. And what I'm going to talk about today are what are the advantages of hiring a civil litigation lawyer? Why should you hire a civil litigation lawyer? And as you probably know, we have a civil litigation department at GRT that's composed of several lawyers who are experts in a whole bunch of different practice areas. So what are the advantages? Well, first of all, you need an expert. You need someone with expertise who's in your corner, who is your advocate, who's going to look out for you. I will tell you that civil litigation, I believe, is one of the most difficult. It's the heavy lifting of the legal profession. And so you need a good lawyer. And one of the ways to sort out whether you have an experienced and good lawyer is ask them, how many jury trials have you done? How many jury trials have you taken to verdict? And you'll be surprised the answer you get. Now, I've taken 54 cases to verdict. And that's the kind of thing you're going to want to look for an expert who's going to be on your side. Now, another advantage to having a civil litigation lawyer on your side is risk mitigation and insurance coordination. So if we're on the defense side, especially if you're a company or a business, risk mitigation is the name of the game. So I have a number of businesses myself, and we're very tuned in to mitigating your risk and making the smartest decisions from a business perspective. Now, overlaying all of this is always insurance coordination. So if you're a business or an individual, you're going to have different types of insurance that might apply. So that's something we're going to look at. Is there insurance policy coverage, or are there ways to get your insurance involved to help defray the costs and maybe support any liability that you might be exposed to? Now, another big advantage of hiring a civil litigation lawyer, in fact, one of the reasons you're going to need to, is if your case is in court. If you're a defendant or a plaintiff and you have an actual court action, you're going to need a lawyer to carry you through, especially if you're in federal court. Quite frankly, unless you're an extreme outlier, you will not be able to do that yourself. And one of the advantages of having a good lawyer on your side is their ability to negotiate. And that's negotiate with the opposing counsel and the opposing parties, but also the court in some cases, to try to set you up for the best possible result possible. Now, also, in the court system, the rules are very specific and they vary dramatically from state court to federal court, and even in federal court from judge to judge. Each judge is going to have their own standing orders. So you're going to need an expert who's familiar with those courts and familiar with those judges to get you through as effectively as possible. And last, but certainly not least, the advantage of having a quality civil lawyer on your side is cost effectiveness and peace of mind. First, cost effectiveness. It is the number one reason people do not retain lawyers, because lawyers are too expensive. Quite frankly, I would submit to you that we can make this entire matter cost effective for you. I could give you 100 examples of clients who come to us with a big problem that we need to fix that's going to be long, time consuming and expensive to fix. But had we been involved with them 6 months, a year, 2 years before, we probably could have avoided the problem entirely in the first place. Next, and probably most importantly, is peace of mind. You have to be able to sleep at night. You have to be able to function in your business and make money in your business. And we're here to take that burden off of you to deal with that case effectively so that you can do what you're best at. So what I'd say is give us a call at GRT. Let us analyze your case. Let us help you. Let us take that burden off your shoulders and help you be successful.